March 3, 2023. This is a corner terrace house in Bentong, Jalan Harmony. It's renovated very nicely to be rented out as Airbnb accommodation for a big group. We have 8 people here. The 3 stories have sufficient bedrooms and beds for 8 people. There's even one downstairs here with the attached bathroom. This is the kitchen, and that is outside is the cooking stove. So overall, it is a very well renovated house for rental. And it's 5:30 a.m. or 6:10 a.m. now, and you can hear the cockroaches crowing. I'm awake now, but the others are asleep except for Anthony, who's outside doing his Tai Chi. Have a good day.